Curly, Curly, look here. Me know you watch me, Curly, look here. If I even just the first part of that video here, Curly, you don't have to listen to the rest, Curly. Just look here now, Curly. Curly, watch here. All crocodile live better than you know, Curly. Watch here. The crocodile just crawl out time place where him having big swimming pool and him crawl out time yard and him come right out time gate pan him veranda entrance there so him patio and him take him sunbath, Curly, and watch a crocodile now, Curly. Look on the crocodile, Curly. Him going in back. All traffic have to wait pan him. And him going back after having his sunbath, Curly. Curly, the crocodile have all bed in a Curly and you know on a bed, Curly. This no look good for you, Curly. All crocodile have bed, Curly. Look how this crocodile go back after having his nice sunbath, Curly, and go right back to his water bed in his lake. This a crocodile you live life. Curly, you not live no life. All crocodile live better life than you. People who watch a video ya, who no watch ya, who just look on these people and look how crocodile live better life than Curly to Rastaja. God, oh God, I feel it to my heart. What's up again, Speak My Mind family? What's up? It's your boy Speak My Mind with his granny plats, you know? Yeah man, ear wash and thing, but time catch up on me, you know? Cause my hairdresser, a hot hairdresser, you know? A booking she deal with, bookings. Sometimes for the whole day she have all 4 bookings and a normal hairstyle. You understand? Yeah man, she hot hairstyle. So a hairstylist, so here what happen now. When me check the time when she end up wash my hair, she couldn't done comb my hair in time for me to do something because I have a little appointment. So I just tell her, I say, watch her wash it and give me a few granny plats. You don't know the granny plat thing? Yeah. And tomorrow she comb it. And then she said tomorrow she full up. So I say, you have to drop me in somewhere. Alright. Anyway, Speak My Mind family. What's up? Crocodile live better and Curly to Rastaja. I want to go on here. Curly, you no shame. Crocodile have its sunbath and walk back to his era and his place of living. And when you look, crocodile upon him bed in him water, what they call it, so in lake. Crocodile have all bed and Curly down a bed. This not look good to Rastaja. Anyway, people, before me get into the video, K-I-K-I-S. You know, help me pronounce that. K-I-K-I-S. Kikis. I wonder where you kiss. Kikis, how where you kiss? Kikis, come tell me where you kiss no Kikis. Oh, me know where you kiss Kikis. You kiss a lot of it Kikis. You know, when you have the big old vein them stand up Kikis, you kiss a lot of it Kikis. Kikis, let me tell you something Kikis. You see your name alone? Make me would have never pass your mouth. I'm gonna go which part you say me is. Just your name alone. I would your name alone turn me on Kikis, but at one place I you me want Kikis is your where you talk out. Yes man. Boy you coming and me comment. The Antina friend. Oh. So when Tina over there I go on with her foolishness, wanna support her with her foolishness, but she come over on platform and talk about 99 as she breed us. Oh, so Tina breed Uno. Oh, if we come just like she, I take things in her mouth, I inject her tongue and her tonsil. Oh, we don't like injection. We don't like injection up here. God going down here, I want to choose up here. Oh, we don't like when the tongue stick, I want the tonsil swell up. Oh, Kikis, I would never pass your mouth. Never ever pass your mouth just because of your name where you have Kikis. Kikis. Come on, Kikis. Come on, Kikis. Come on, Kikis. Kiss, Kikis. Kiss, Kikis. About me a B-boy. Who you too? Boy, you run up in a comment and talk about me a B-boy. Look at you too. And look by your name where you have Kikis. Come on, Kikis. Come on, come kiss, Kikis. Come on, kiss. Kiss. You love when your tonsils swell up and your tongue get injected. And Tina the same thing. That's why you're taking up for her, because the same job both of you done. Anyway, enough for you. Take that 2 minutes of fame there. Because I not stop calling out when you come here, you know. When you run over here, I go and call out Kikis. Anyways, keep in mind, people, you don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember Tamika Douglas, Life with Gabby and Chevy. The 2 links of the YouTube channels are in my comment section. All you got to do is hit the link, and when the link open, you hit subscribe. Don't afraid to hit the link. It's legit link. You hit subscribe, and remember to press the post notification bell for both of the channels, so you get a notification when a video drop or a live is going on. Alright, and remember, you ask for it, you get it. The cash app is there. $ Life is a Mission TV. You give me, I take the gift. Not to buy rum, not to buy cigarette, because I don't drink alcohol and I don't smoke. But I take your gift and give back to the needy, not the greedy. There is so many needy out there. Alright? So I give it back to the needy. So anyway, wanna know what they do. People curly run out, you know. And she run out pan 360. And you know, say she not left the woman a country. Because right now in this video, yeah, I be a blame game I play, because she claimed to say the woman a country start all of this. But how we could have cause all of this? Boy, how we could have cause all of this? Yeah. But curly, nobody no start nothing curly. Curly $500 sweetie where YouTube send come give you, you know. And I tell you, say this month you're going to get about $1,500. So you're going to even love YouTube more. But guess what, me know, the way the money sweetie, no matter how it come, if you even have to expose your client privacy, that is what you're going to do. Because you're not going to focus on your client no more. Because you focus on the money where you get from YouTube, because you never see this in all your life. You're there on Facebook, you're there all over. Because if you get $500, you're so happy, although you get more than me. But you have the whole heap more content than me today. I can't stay abreast of your curly. I cannot stay abreast of your curly. The amount of live you do from this evening. Jesus, me have not talked about last night coming into this evening. And from you find out about that $500 you get, so you never know you could have get so much, car that the $500 you could have able to go pay your insurance. And where you say again? And something else. So right now, you just work for content curly. Everything you come out, a content me I make, you know. A content me I make. So right now, you know, focus of the job that you have on hand. And knowing that, okay, this man privacy and the people them father home is privacy. You take it out on social media. And when your people who you come up against in social media use the evidence that they get, because none of them no live wish you live curly. None of them not they wish you there, you know. Even the woman at Jamaica, she not they wish you there curly. So are you expose the people them privacy, but you hate still you come out here come say people come at the people them yard. How the people them come at the people them yard when you show everything on social media? Ah, you forgot say one World Wide Web. Oh, you think a special people I see you? How the world I see you curly. And the people them you that probably call your enemy, them I see you too. So no feel like you can lock off your enemies from see you. So anything you give them go and run with it. So you have nobody to blame but yourself. But as me say, you get $500 the first in your life. You collect so much money off of social media. So it's sweet you. I mean, I don't know if you are listening me, because me can't tell you you're getting more for this month. Because you just do content on top of content. So one of the same people them, where you say your name I make them make money, and them now in return I make you make money. Because if it's never for me and others, you only get that the 500 there. And looking right now for step over the $1,000 mark. Me can't tell you curly you can't start make plans for the money. Curly you can't start make plans for the money. If you really get $500 last month, you can start make plan for over 1,000 this month. Remember me speak me mind tell you. Alright? Make plans for over 1,000 this month because all of the content we have done for this new month, it never count in a last month money. Alright, because last month money did shut off already. Payment done a make. So you're fat this year month, yeah. This year month, yeah. They think you talk about 500. This year month, yeah, come out, come talk about over 1,000 curly. But anyway, me a chat too much. It's all about curly. It's not my show. But you don't know me have to go to my little drama entertainment, you know, because we don't take nothing personal, you know. A curly them alone I take things personal in a phone, you know. You understand? Curly them alone. So anyway, she run out pan 360 as me tell you, no. And you know, she not done the video and the woman in her country not get a taste of her tongue. You understand me? I don't know if it's bitter like Single Bible. I don't know if it's sweet like sugar or honey. But she go on with herself. She talk about that shanty time short. She talk up a bag of things because you don't know. She not less than wish bad for people, you know. Because as me said, them take social media personal. Because even the woman in a country, when the woman tell her, say, she send people come take her picture. Come on, Curly, I just content that and you take it personal. That you say, boy, you can't make NYPD, you can't make them Golden Cross the footage. You can't request footage, Curly. Me don't know about American law, but there is no way you single-handedly can go request footage from Golden Cross, Curly. That have to go to the courts and the police get order figure and documentation to carry to Golden Cross for them to release that. You can't single-handedly step up and ask them to release it. So get a hold of yourself. You just a chat. And there's a lot of time you come out here, come chat and feel like people are idiots. Whether we ever visit America, yes or no, we have common sense out here to know that you cannot just walk into Golden Cross and request that footage to find out who take your picture. But all that shouldn't be a big thing, Curly. Everybody knows you got hangover. Everybody knows your foot them small on your body. Everybody knows your toe them coming like all the river yam. Everybody know that. You understand what I say to you? So I know nothing strange at Curly. So you shouldn't make that be a big thing. And this is where you come now, where you make these small things be a big things to you, and it just blow out a proportion, and the people them just get content off of you and make them money off of you. And you turn idiot before you just counter them and make back money off of them. You know, say you're idiot. Are you give the people them content? You fool you. Anyway, listener.
Call you and tell you what has been going on social media. They know said the woman that put line and try to drag me down and attack her and something. She said no. She said the 1-300 keep a piece of show upon you. And do something with our followers them and call your son name and say some breeder things with the people them name and this and that and what. And I was like, what are you saying to me? He said it's okay. It's okay. Hold on. What them I go say, I'm going to come here. But I'm here to tell you this morning. I'm here to tell you this morning. I'm going to call her name 360. Your days are numbered. You know, 360 is a satanic number. It's not a good number. I may know and you know, say, your life is very short. I know, and a lot of people know, that you're very sick. And let me tell you something.
Some are say on a serious note now. Oh, you know so much things about demonic things. And you claim to say, you know, mix up in them there's something. Oh, you know, say 360 is not a good number, it's a demonic number. From me, I grew me hear them say 666. But me never hear them say 360. 360 different from 36, you know. Which is 666, you know. And 3, the numeral 3, is before the 6. And there is a 0 after, so that is 360. Boy, you just mix up in a all kind of belief of demonic things and then come out here want to tell people you are not a part of it. This minute you know everything about it. The next minute you know nothing about it. Marcia, make up your mind. Because we come to the conclusion. Say you mix up in a them something there. You talk too much about it. You understand? And when you talk about it, then you turn on want to mix God and the Bible with your iniquity self. Come on, man, and leave that alone. Stick with your iniquity and leave God and Bible out of it.
Me hear them say you come at this house. I want you to come at this house.
Wow.
I want you to come at this house. You know which part me there? Me want you come here. Me want you screenshot it. Me just want to see a picture and evidence that you come to this house because you surely will be getting arrested for trespass.
For what? The man now come on your property. The man come which for you, them now come on the property. So we might get arrested.
When we report to the police department and have your name as harassment and bullying with the FBI and the things them and the slandering, me want you, you're down New York City, me want you to take yourself, if you think you're bad, and come to this address and let me see a slight evidence and you post it on your page. And you will see if you can see if you don't have to run and hide for your rest of your life in New York City. Me want to see you come here and trespass and
trespass. Me think of trespass. Trespass.
You believe out of a different state that known by your driver's license and your address to come here, knowing the fact that I've been complaining about you, making report on you, and you come here all the way to which part from my workplace.
So what I know, Marcia? Do you have a fixed address for where you is? To prove that, okay, this man 360 knows that there you live because it's your fixed address. And him turn up at your address to molest you, fatigue you, whatsoever you want to call, say, I do to you. So, if the man pass on the road and stop, you are going to say, him come at your place or antagonize you. That is what you're going to tell the police. Is it there a law that him come from one state and it is on his ID and him this and him that and him can't go into another state? Him can't go around any other community? I think me see you do it and you don't have no fixed address. And you do it. So, what you say? You drive back and forth to New York and all about. You go a different address. So, I don't understand what you say. Police can't just lock up somebody for that. The man now go come on the property where you them. I don't think that's so foolish. Because that is private property. And then, they so know he would have really get himself in a problem. But you would have fooled within yourself to think 360 that come on the property where you there. But if the man wants to stay up there and take him phone and take a picture of you or whatever, he can't say he's a social media journalist. He is an independent journalist. And he's just going around do journalism work. And it happens that you get caught in the picture. Marcia. And at the same time, what proof you going to have said this man take a picture, Marcia? What proof are you going to... Marcia, you know, say me have one picture in my phone. Where you stand up, me get all the address, exact address of where you there, me ball it out what there, you know. But me never really post the picture. Because them something there know me. You know, say somebody into a vehicle the other day, Marcia. And this is what me I tell you, you can't go a road that cause contention and problem. And you so coward and afraid, but at the same time, you left yourself vulnerable to people out the road. When I get this picture, this was a clear-cut picture, just like the one where I circulate with you in the place where you go buy the porridge or where you want to call it Golden Cross, you know. This was a clear-cut picture. It is like, and the person come like them have quality phone too, you know. People, when I look, I see Marcia stand up on her van. Marcia here. And a man stand up with a sheet on her arm and it's like, she demonstrate to the man about the sheets. But it come like, up to the time the man still appear for the sheet to him have on her arm. So her face look mucky. Because like she said this, you know, sometimes some people come on your place, you sell and them ask your prices and this and that. And at the end of the day, them not buy nothing. So it's like probably that I run through Marcia thought. So this man not go buy nothing, you know. And him just a question me and hands and gloves up my things so. And it was a clear-cut picture, Marcia. Clear-cut picture. Me have it in my phone up to now. So if me did post a picture there now, for a man like me, they have no passport, you know say me take a picture. And me take it, and me post it. You were out in the public space. And like me come at your yard and come in your bedroom and come at your yard, come take in your yard. You were in the public space, so that's nothing private about you in the public space. You understand? So you have to try and understand those things before you come out here on your platform, come chat and talk. And make yourself look foolish, and you give people content, and then you ball out say your name. I know your name, man.
I am dying. I mean, I am dying for you to come to my workplace and post it online. Me hear say go on with one, but listen, at 2 a.m. a lady called me this morning, you know. Because when I saw the phone ringing, you know, I saw the number.
How your girlfriend?
It was my girlfriend calling from Florida. That's why me answer, because me not really program my name in my new phone.
Oh, social girlfriend. Oh, so that sound like when man a call woman a check up on them, or woman a call man a check up on them.
So upset.
2 a.m. to tell you about mix up.
What you people trying to
Jesus, please.
if you feel like
2 a.m. to tell you about mix up, Marcia. That don't mean you no good. After them she say,
you think that I'm going to be homeless.
you subscriber, you don't mean Marcia no good. You see Marcia uncomfortable and easy during the day. And the best time Marcia get a chance to have little rest into a bed that she have never slept in for the longest while. After she left the marriage, she boasts about so much. You get up and call the woman at 2 a.m. with mix up. You couldn't wait till daylight. You know mean, man, you're one of the supporter them, the person who's going to support Marcia when you mean or no good. The woman will look at beauty sleep because she can't hold that during the day. Because she's not allowed to. You understand? And you call the woman 2 a.m. with sus. Hey, you know, dangerous.
Me not go drive no more. Me not go a restaurant no more. Me not go have my man no more. Me not go have no money no more. I don't know what you people thinking. I don't know what you people thinking. I don't know what you people thinking. You people need to go back into my videos. You need to analyze my video and my life as you must is. What do you think you guys are doing? You think say when I can come and try to box bread out of my mouth and get away with 2024?
You want to get rid of your bread and butter, Marcia. Nobody know a box of bread out of your mouth. You are contribute to losing your bread. Because even a little work, you contribute to losing a little work.
With my sheet them and any little nicks that's what me ever do. And feel like so when I can come on social media and call that blogging. Me not even argue with you. Take your blood clot and come to this house if you think your name Gavin Sanan. That's all me have to say to you. If you think you do what you want to do. If you think your blood clot bad. Come to this house, come video. Like when you gonna shop.
Some water, wet up here. As you come out in the dirty bad water, chew a bucket of water in your mouth and choke you. We don't want to put dirty bad water then.
Okay, Marcia, there's so many things going on social media. Get somebody else to fill in for the lady. That is.
Well, on the people, before me go no further, boy, I search it and I can't find it. Because me say, Marcia, me can't stay up with her. Me can't stay up with her. Life on top of life on top of life. People, so you couldn't send me a video where Marcia a ball. All Marcia isn't a pretty sight when she a ball. Because if when she get in a temper and I go and like she out for have ego, or she out for have some form of breakdown, she can't look so. It's not a pretty sight when she a ball. So you couldn't send me that the video there. Me say Marcia ball pan live. Pressure take her and then say pressure bust pipe, you know. But yet still Marcia come back in her life when me hear. Me have a life there in there, so me go dissect it and me say chop. Because me say Marcia just a run go waste up on social media. Me no know. But as me say, me hear she dey on the live and say, when you come out here, come out and me a ball. Me not balling. You know when somebody a ball? I was just like crying, but me never did a ball. I mean, I said with the rest, Janice. The same time she said she never did a ball. She accepts say she a ball, but she never did a ball. Oh, one of them a golf ball and one a tennis ball and one a football. Cause me don't know the difference. Because if she a go say, the people them come out here, I jump on them platform and I jump in a comment section and talk, oh she come on social media, ball. She never did a ball. When see me that when see me that ball, when see me that ball. But at the same time and in the same breath, she said she never did a ball. But she did a ball, but she never did a ball. Me don't understand her. She confused me. Oh, you say I don't know too? Tell them someone just want me alone jump fence back where you cut me up, rusty zinc and dog bite me and me drop off a wall and me whole days where my bone can't set. When time on the out a road, I want to see any little thing, I just fear on the send it come give me. Me tell them say I can't send it, you know, but on everything me I go look pan and not say look pan, me look pan it, you know, but on everything me I go come out here. You understand me I say? And me no want to not send me heavy and everything. But all of the ball, them would I really want to see that the ball. Me say me search to them, me search. Not even Google search so. Not even Google search so the way me search I try find the ball in video. Me don't know if me dip on it and me a skip over it because as me say me can't play. If she dip on a life for 1 hour and 20 odd minutes, 1.5 hours. And me don't know the timestamp of which part she a ball. Me a go listen it, me can't hear it in a half an hour. Me a go start probably skip and then probably me skip over the part there. So you see when you not send me anything I don't want highlight or not send come to me, you make sure you don't have the stamp time. So me can go back and me listen from the stamp time, then me take it from which part me really want it. Don't just send me the video and say watch your curly at this because 2-3 hours what a video them people here do you know. Me can't play 3 hours worth of video to find the part I want. Probably the part I want the way down at the end I want to try get me attention to the way down at the end. So you have to give me the stamp time. So when you don't give me stamp time I will not want to highlight to me. Then now when me get the video now me run it down to this so and me listen. And if me want to come forward or me want to go backward to start do my dissecting, then I will do that. But send the stamp time. But me say me did really want to see curly face a ball. Because me I imagine when she get in a temper and a guan and nearly have nervous breakdown on many occasions. Me just imagine for her face make up a cry. But curly said she never did a ball, but she did a ball. Trust me curly boy, I don't know them I deal with the rough. All hungry is just you. I true you come out, you come tell the people them say you're a big deal, you're a superstar, you know, and your name and make money, you know, you see it. Boy, me I tell you. You see, if you never tell the people them say your name and make money, so what people who come over here run you down, you know. I just me and the few where they are making money off of you, you know, that day, you know. But you make everybody know say your name big. Everybody come now want a piece of the pie.
What you think? What you think? So when I come back in my video come yam, drink, go to the man, go out on weekend and sleep what I do.
Oh, you mean? She not left out her man, you know. The man they can't put her up. The man himself not live nowhere.
I was to get my truck fixed. Alright, now me I carry my truck. But drop it off. That was the main thing for this job. Is to get my truck fixed out of this. And get some stuff done. You see, once my truck fixed, you can't do what I want to do. I may have my pay at $200 at home. I pay down my money every day. I have a receipt on my truck.
So Curly, so you gotta tell me now, say, the way you boast, oh you have your money, even at the same video, oh you have your money. The truck will leak over some 3 months now. You couldn't fix that truck out of your pocket. And because the truck leak, you're afraid to drive it from state to state because you don't want harassment by police. And you have your money, so why you never fix the truck long time? You know your baby father have more than one vehicle down the park up. So vehicle shouldn't be a problem. Just as you can't go there now and get a vehicle for go and use while your vehicle are fixed. But her money was your problem. But at the same time you come out here and brag how much money you have and nobody not have no money over you. My little old car couldn't want to fix so long. When you think my old car Chris and look so good for 32-year-old? When you think so much people want my old car to buy and I run down my old car? Man all pass and gone with my old car upon him mind, want it for buy. How much years now? Every time him see me, every time he refurbish it, you already know? You already know? Because what? Anybody know my little old car? Hey, you mad? When you come in that, you think I want 90, I want 2025 vehicle you're driving away comfortable. What I say? I sit and have my tweet, mechanic want me, electrician want me. Very, you mad? We not drive vehicle for, no, so we are going road and we're liable for vehicle broke down a road, did we? If it develop a mechanical problem or a problem, that's a different thing. But me now know so the problem there and me not fix that and me gone out of sea. You mad? So curly and money you never have. So that's why you gravitate to the work. That's why you say no, you know. You gravitate to the work, you take your money, and the little money where you say, can you come out, you come tell you how much you fix it van, you know. And if you are both say you have money so much and can't find a little chupans a penny there to fix your van, that you have to take this work way out of your state where you're there. You understand? Where you have to travel back and forth till you get the comfort of having somewhere to live. But currently, I lie you tell, we know. You get the work temporarily because things is bad with you and you take it. And after you can remember, you tell us that temporarily, you know, the woman asks you for work for you. For must for 2 weekends. And the weekend goes on and on and on and on. So they come back out here and like you say, it's a short term, temporary. Short term, temporary, I don't know what that means. But me kind of analyze it and I say, okay, you gotta work a little longer. You get a couple hours to work a little longer than just the 2 weeks weekend where they offer to you. And when you hear say the empty room there so and you look upon it and say you don't live nowhere. Or no, a lie, you did that the woman place and you decide say, me can't save money. Oops, so you take yourself from the woman place. No car no make you go take the job. Or because you can't get the opportunity to live in. So you want to pay no rent, no light, or no water. Nothing wrong with that. But at the same way you should have think in the winter, when you say allegedly that your sister offer you to come and stay with her for 3 months without paying $1 towards any farmer bill, you say it not me. Remember, you say it not me at Jamaica, me there foreigner there. North Carolina, your sister live and you live must say Connecticut. Me never travel yet, me not no passport. So you said, if you did cut your pride, just like how you put your pride aside and run go catch up in a living job, your sister, which is your blood, you see it better off. Remember, you know, your sister you know the same blood type you don't have, you know. You understand? Because you are a generic. You understand? Right, same generic. You understand me I say to you? Alright, biological parents. So now biological sisters. Alright. You never take the offer there, but you take an offer. If you go in a somebody place where you don't know from Adams and take a living job, and your sister give you the same opportunity for 3 months where you could have saved all the money with a probably rent somewhere. And you take the money and go and marry it as according to you is 30K. I know that not come out of your pocket all, but it's still 30K. You could have used that 30K and do something else. So tell me if you don't have sense in a life. You turn down your sister off of coming to her home where you boast about so much on social media for 3 months without any bills. I was about you make you never want to go. If so be the case. You know your sister know your dirty, filthy ways. So probably, you know, she not gonna tolerate it and the live and the this and the bad word cussing in her place. So probably that's why the only excuse that you can come give me or give the public. Because me can't see no other excuse after you choose if you gonna live with dead stranger. Me not see no other excuse, Curly, but go and talk.
And this truck is what made money for me. This truck can take me anywhere in the United States. I'm in an excellent condition. I don't know what things I wanna try. Because somebody somebody is going to get them ass into trouble.
Trouble?
I don't want you
Trouble, Dede?
themselves in trouble.
Curly said trouble, Dede. Be careful.
Because if you don't feel like, I don't know. Me not know one half American citizen, honey. I will tell you that. Me have 4 brothers in the United States, family and friends and brother all over. I don't know. I don't know what things say. Wanna try this Ross in a woodland village? Wanna try to sabotage my sheep business? Wanna try to do all kind of rubbish? All kind of stuff wanna try to do. And make me come out better than ever. Better than ever. Wanna think me like homeless and the bar road. Me go check myself into a Marriott Resident Inn and stay for 5 months. Not 1 day, not 2 weeks. 5 months what una can do.
I sit down and fret over my money now.
5 whole months.
But so often you look on them, the receipt there.
Una tired, me no know if una no family band. Me have my family them, and me a big woman. Me know my way out. Me don't know what wanna take me for. I want you to keep up your fuckery where you are going with on social media. And the number one thing, me want you take your blood clot and come to the house. Me want you come to the house. And me want Satan send you come here. And that me want. Me want Satan send you to come here.
Right,
and anyone on a blogging page where me see with any form of picture will come right to the house and take the picture and have evidence or a video and post that on social media. Me want you come in at this Ross neighborhood spot me there.
You can't do nothing,
master.
master.
Step up and come to this house here.
You don't know nothing about the simplest law, much less.
We had a meeting last night and talked to the son.
Listen how she lie. Listen how she lie.
Yes, tell you to come.
Listen how she lie.
Tell you to come. Yeah, tell you to come. Because idiot people let me mess with. Tell them to come.
Hey, you come out here and intimidate people and tell a bag of lie. I be an intimidation you come out here with from what the other man say. You know hear what she just said a while ago? She talked to the man's son last night and tell him what is what. And him say yes. Tell them to come. Marcia, if you, first thing, me them not talk about the real story. You not go to nobody. You not go to none of the man's son with this. Because the first thing the man's son is going to ask you, what is going on? What this is all about? Because the man's son could have lost in the whole of this. And when you start to explain, like me, you explain to people already. When you explain to the girl at the Marriott, the front desk, you know, I'm a social media personality, you know, well known, and you have some people on social media say I'm living here and government tickets and stuff. Do you have I see him where you want to tell me say you just go to this man and go tell him say he's a social media personality and people are saying that XYZ here and where all the way you are say. And the man just go take that so around him family, him father that at 90-year-old. And if these people is any caliber people to where you are say, who mix with governors and mayors and they are radio personalities and stuff like that, like you try to say America with CNN and BBC, you know, and NBC, yes man, you know. If there is any caliber people like what you are talking about in a social media, then now go on you around them. Or them father. What them would I do with you? More likely me know them going to ask you for your social media page name too. Because them want to know you. Because if you are going to tell them say you're a well-known social media personality, them are going to want to see what you have a half up on social media. And when them come Marcia and see the attitude of you, where them hire for look after for them pupa Marcia. When them look and see the attitude of you on social media cussing all kind of cloth, pinks, fabric, all kind of cloth where all of these cloth store have. India no make the amount of cloth like where you cuss on social media and them your caliber people where you talk about see that. You feel like them are going to have your own father, Marcia. So that alone make we know right now you're not talk to no son. You're lied. I intimidate you, I do this, you try intimidate 360, I run off him out, I say him I come at the place and ray. And this is how you easily draw out. You're coming like a tall shoes lace, we're into a crepe. The more you tight, it does a drop on the ground. And as you go so, it pull out. Because it's so tall, it can't draw tight enough. So as you draw it and you go so, it pull out. You're coming like shoes lace. They know exactly what to do to draw you out on social media. When you come out here with your nonsense, all them have to do is niggle you. Yes, man, that's all them have to do to you. And get you out.
Them are people that link with governors and mayors and all these big shot people. Come.
Mosquito enough from the storm gone, you see, man. Mosquito enough. When you hear the caliber people what she talk about, she put her social media business after she don't know them people from nowhere. Too. You carry your social media problem to them people here who employ you to look after them father at 96. Lie.
I want you to come here. Come, and you'll see how quick the police department find you. If you think you can't hide it, make a side mistake. If you think, say, una Jamaicans can't hide, this is some severe, highly jealousy atmosphere. This is not no conspiracy. This is jealousy. Because una know say me have so much to go. Una know say me have my little money. If I if not $100, I can't find it. So me not broke.
You have so much figure? Where? Oh, yeah, I get more help from government. You're right, they shall get more help from government. Strain the system.
I dare you. You have to go down this area. You have to go down. 360, you have to go down this area. Me not ask you.
In the panel list we got Africa too. Rasta ja. So you have a female and now you have the male. One of the next male escape. A good thing business take the next man out of it because he would have the panel list too. Good business take him man out of it, the next man. Because up to yesterday, I just the woman a country she have on the list, you know. And me I say, what a rasta ja. So all of a sudden, me never know say somebody that come and get out the love man, the doctor man there, yes man, and get out 360 where them just bust our pipe. They want over so. Me never know say somebody like that end up come. That she never talk about the doctor man and 360 no more. But right now she had back 360 to the list, so she have make one trip go Africa. She now make two. She have make any two she have make, and if the doctor man come back. I mean I think the doctor man will come back because right now things are pretty and nice. Anywhere else after that is a different thing. Not back here. Alright, no one again he might say something because him still have him platform. But boy, she had back the 60 to the list. Boy, me no know. It no look good. Africa me want to go, but I know some me want to go Africa.
You want to be a woman so bad, you don't even have a man voice. You don't even have a man voice. Me not have nothing to say to one Erica no more. Me not have you. You dirty pussy old landlord. Me not have nothing more to say to you. And the last time me I talk to you, me not have nothing more to say to you from today. Go on with your antics. Me not have nothing else to say to you. Me done. Me done. And you start this fuckery.
The blame game is on. The blame game. Nothing.
But you 360
Nothing.
me want you to come here. Me want you to
Me,
come here. Me
Marcia,
want you
not
to
have nothing to
do
say to
yourself
you.
and post it. Me want you to go.
You
You
woman
never see what
dancer.
you do at
Me,
Jerusalem.
Marcia,
I don't
not
know
have
where
nothing
Jerusalem
to say
is.
to you.
I don't
Nothing.
shop at Jerusalem. Me nah stop sell my sheet them for the price that me
Africa
sell them
where me
for.
I go for
Right now
you.
they on sale. $30 for queen, $35 for king, $25 for full, for twin, and $27 for full.
Free
And that is
advertisement.
my
Free
price, and me
advertisement.
nah drop it. Cause them sheet are worth every penny. Me
Listen why it's so
people them we are
expensive
sell
after
sheet and
buying it
sell
for
it on a
$8.
wholesale price so we can go out and make our money.
Buy it for
Me have to buy
$8. Listen why
box,
it's so
me have
expensive.
to buy tape, me have to run up and down, me have to buy gas put in my car, me have to do all of that. When you work out, you get no profit. Me have to pay taxes when me go ship off them or something here. Yesterday I went and ship back some boxes, and 2 boxes in a post office, and a Philadelphia to go, and it has $80 for 2 boxes. For the two, and plus me have to buy boxes to put them in there. Right?
And people know, remember now, I know 1 or 2 sheets she go buy. A wholesale sheet she go buy. So put it say she buy 20 sheet. With all the overhead expense, she have to buy tape. Remember, one tape, not tape, 1 box. One tape, many box. So she buy $300 gas. $300 gas now make 1 trip. She have to drive back and forth to New York to which part she work. New York, oh, she work in New York. Back and forth to Connecticut, New York. Connecticut, New York, back and forth. So the $300 gas and a 1 trip figure buy the sheet. The box them she buy. And a 1 sheet pack in a 1 box. A mini sheet. So what you want to tell me now, Marcia? Because you have to do all that and you have that overhead expense after doing all that. And your time taking consideration to run your own business, you know. You want to make back all that money off of 1 or 2 sheets? Come on, Marcia, man, and do better. Do better. You can't want to make back all that money off of 2 sheets. Because to all your son, you know, every time you come and you talk like this, it's like you want to make back. Sell 3 sheets, you buy 20 sheets and you want to sell 3 sheets and make back all your overhead expense and make profit. So what about the next 17 sheets? The sheets are too expensive, so be the case. If you buy those sheets for $8 a one, and you come and sell one for $25, $8 or $10 one, and you come and sell one for $25, Marcia. Marcia, that is like 150% on each sheet. So $10 you pay for it. And I sell one for $25. That is 150% in a Marcia. And at the same time, you say you're not making a profit. And that is just off of 1 sheet out of 20. And this is why the people them are come at you. Say you buy the cheap sheet, them and sell them too expensive. And this is your poor excuse. Box, tape, gas, this. Like you want to make it back off a 2 sheet. If you not make nothing off it, why you do it for so long? Me not operate no business where me not profit off of. Me can't even make back my overhead, much less profit, and me still do it over 5 years or more, or 4 years and more. Come on, Master, you can't fool nobody out here. Stop come out here, come try to fool people. And this is why he's a clown out here. And this is why the people are going to always have content over you. Because you come out here, come chat, be a bullshit and nonsense, crap, and clown out yourself. Speak with mind, people. Thanks for watching. Don't watch me granny hairstyle. Tomorrow it'll fix up. Bless upon yourself, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up underneath the video. Please to watch the ads, and remember over there, so Life is a Mission TV, go give it a subscription. I am on the road to 3,000 subscribers. Make we do it now before the month done. Please and thanks. And remember down in the comment section, Tamika Douglas, Life with Gabby and Chevy. Please, if you're new over here, give them a subscription. The link of their YouTube channel, I ask for 10 subscription a week. I want to get them to that 1,000 subscribers, which is the minimum to help them get them channel monetized with 4,000 watch hours. So help me to help them. Alright? Each one help one. We can't done YouTube money. You understand? YouTube money can't done because the money where YouTuber get, we are create that. You understand? And we can't done it. Me can't stop you from make what you make, and you can't stop me from make what me I make. Me can't stop myself by not, presenting content that people want to see and support. You understand? And you have to try to attract your audience and get your audience to support you. Because without that support, it don't make no sense. You could have 100,000 subscribers. You can find somebody with just 10,000 and I do better than you. Alright? So it's how you bring across your content, how you speak and talk and get your people to gravitate to you, like you, love you for some reason or the other. Everybody not gonna like you, and everybody might not like you for the same thing. Some might like you for the drama, some might like you for how you carry across things, some might like you for something. You understand? But the fact remains, they are there and they are supporting you, and that's what matters most. They supporting your channel. So me can't stop nobody. So me willing to do whatever me can do for shout out a channel, help a channel. Once the channel is dealing with something where, you know, it's not nothing out of the way, which, you know, really and truly nothing really can go out of the way where YouTube is concerned, because there's a lot of policies and guidelines. Alright? Bless upon yourself. Happy Ben John today. I'm out.